Alright guys, so today what I'm going to be doing is working on the paint on my RAV4. So apparently with Toyota for this year there was like a defect with the paint. So on a lot of the 2010 RAV4s the paint was peeling, and it's weird because it doesn't go down to bare metal, it just goes down to the factory primer. So that's the top of the car. But what I'm going to be working on today is over here. I'm going to start with the gas cover because I figured I would test on a smaller piece before I do the roof. So what I did is I went to the store and got some duplicate color match paint for the RAV4 that I have, and I'm just testing it on a piece of metal right now just to see how the color matches. So along with the fuel door, I also decided to paint the running board on my driver's side door. The reason I did this was because there was a little bit of rust popping through the paint, so what I did was sanded it down and scraped all the rust off and just gave it a nice quick coat of paint and clear coat just to clean it up and protect it from rust. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and keep watching and stay tuned for my next transmission video, and I'll see you all next time. Thanks. Bye.